is the bottom in for Crowcoin? We got to be talking about this because when I see the Crowcoin price chart right now, it does look like it's trying to form somewhat of a bottom. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Anything I say in this video is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into it. All right, guys, I want to start off here with a post I made on Twitter. Follow me at 333 Blacksea. I say, my Crowcoin holders, it looks like Crow wants to find a bottom here. A big move is loading, and I do mean that. I still am in my short position, guys. I'm about 500% on the trade. It's not significant, like delta-wise. I mean, not delta-wise. This is the wrong word for it. It's not significant when we're talking about profit size, if you will. I'm waiting to size into this trade on the next bounce, which is what we got to be talking about, this next move. So looking at Crowcoin, we can see that we are trading on this level here at 10 cents. And it does look like the volume is getting pinched, all right? And you can obviously tell when you look at this, it looks like a bottom's forming. It doesn't look like a stair step up, elevator down, stair step up, elevator down. You're seeing actual consolidation, right, on this level. Now, I do believe that a big move is coming here. We had the FOMC meeting. They cut interest rates. They're talking about buying bonds, and the Fed basically, long story short, said the money printer is back on, baby, okay? Which means risk on assets go up, all right? Now, Bitcoin is still rejecting off a very important price level. Let's take a look at soon. It's around 94,000. But altcoins, in my opinion, are still in a very sketchy position. That doesn't mean that we can't see a bounce. I think that if this starts to bottom out, we're much more likely to see a move to the upside if the squeeze happens sooner rather than later. And I have been saying that in December, I expect a further move to the upside on Bitcoin. That probably does bring Crowcoin up a little bit with it. And my areas of interest really are around 12 cents here and 15 cents. I think those are important areas, especially if we get this squeeze happening. And I think that maybe we'll get a little bit of a short squeeze potentially on some altcoins because alts have really more or less just been going straight down. The moves to the upside and the liquidity grabs have been very insignificant. There have not been a true like dead cat bounce to wreck the bears. It has not happened yet. And I think that we're due for that. Now that, like I said, if that does play out, I think that we're probably aiming for somewhere between 12 and 15 cents. But guys, I'm going to continue to have my short position open because I do think that that is going to be an opportunity to increase my short size. Okay, I do believe that. And even if we come up to 15 cents, that's near my entry level on my short over on Bluefin for Crowcoin. Let's look at it right here. Yeah, my entry was about 14.5 cents-ish or so. It's kind of been leveled down because I've been adding to this position a bit on the rallies. But right now we're sitting at about 500% profit, up about $1,300. Really would like to size this position up, but I'm going to be very patient here and wait till we actually see a bounce before I start to get greedy with it, right? I am looking to make about a six-figure trade on this position if and only if we see Bitcoin bounce near like 98,000 to 103,000, and we see Crowcoin make a move at 15 cents. Now, if you guys do want to trade with me, you want access to our private Discord where CryptoKip and I give our trade signals and trade setups, and we're really just creating a trading community and really just a crypto community to talk about our thoughts on the market. All you have to do is sign up to Bluefin in the description box or pinned comment section below. It's completely for free. You sign up, and then you go down further below in the description, and there's a Discord link. You click that, and you follow a couple steps, and you're in. Guys, all the links down below are affiliate links. They help support this channel. There's a lot of lucrative bonuses for you guys, so it's a win-win for everybody. So feel free to check it out. Come say hi on the Discord, and come tell me you're trading against me. I don't care. Just come say hi, and that's all I really care about. But looking at Bitcoin right now, so this is why I'm in a little bit of I'm pretty cautious here because we are rejecting off of 94,000, and my line here has been around 100K. I really want to see us come and test this. If we do come and test this, I would say, yeah, like this is a fantastic opportunity to size up these shorts. Now, I will also say, I have to say it because there's always invalidations, right? A closing above 100,000 into 2026 will be concerning for the bears. It will be. But I think that we're still in a bear market. I think that we're in a bear market. And I think that the bounces are just profit-taking opportunities, not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys how I'm viewing this market. But guys, the 4-year cycle can be invalidated, and to invalidate the 4-year cycle would be basically breaking above 110,000 to 116,000 into 2026, into Q1 2026. Making any new high in 2026 is a break of the 4-year cycle, which means it's back to the drawing board, and we need to be assessing what's actually happening in this market. Maybe Bitcoin has finally actually matured, and the 4-year cycles are broken. But I will say, guys, even if that does happen, I'm hedged accordingly. I buy Bitcoin every single day, a dollar cost average in. I have my tranche levels to acquire more Bitcoin around the 88K, 80,000, 75,000 and below. And regardless of the price, if it's higher than that, I'm still buying Bitcoin every single day. And I'm shorting the alts because I believe that regardless if we see a bounce here sooner or later into 2026, I think that alts are going to be quite damaged based on really what's happened for the past 3 years. Not many alts have succeeded. A lot of alts have been just extraction events. And I think that, of course, there's going to be altcoins that perform well, but I think the majority are not. And that's why I'm shorting a lot of these coins. I'm short like 12 altcoins right now, guys. And I think that Crowcoin can perform, but it's got to happen sooner rather than later because it is a test against time with the dilution of the circulating supply, and not even the circulating supply, the total supply, because we saw that 70 billion reissuance of coins and 1.12 billion is getting added to the supply month over month, okay? That's my thesis on Crowcoin. That's my thesis on the market. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section below, and sign up to our Discord. It's completely for free. Come say hi. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.